Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you will see one of the best strategy for binary options. I mean, I have them a lot, but I'm showing them video by video. So you have to learn it, all the best strategies from my YouTube channel on binary options for pocket options. So let's get started. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Here's another one. Let's go. So we are the broker. Today all currency pairs have OTC status. We trade on weekends. Accordingly, a high percentage of payments prevails on all currency pairs. All currency pairs, of course, I already analyzed and choose. Now on my balance you see amount of $100, and today I will show you how with this amount you can quickly and easily make a profit of more than $5,000, I guess. Now using this selection of indicators. This is done chain channel with the full settings. This is a fractal with the full settings, and this is a MACD oscillator with a period of 5, 7 and 10. As a trade you will understand how to correctly use this strategy. So let's get started and select our first currency pair. Immediately here I want to open short position, an excellent entry point, the formation of a new extreme point, namely our local maximum and touching the upper moving average of our channel indicator. After which I think the dynamics of our movement should go down, because earlier on the oscillator histogram we saw good ascending volumes. Accordingly the volumes should go down a little. So here we trade for short, open short trade, and let's look at the result of the first trade. We have a 23 seconds and we're in a profit. Our first position is easily closed in positive territory. Let's change the amount of the transaction value and continue our trading. Alright, I want to open long here. We open in the direction of general trend, upward dynamics. We again form a new extreme point, and it is our local minimum that occurs touching the lower moving average of our channel indicator. Good downward volumes were shown on the histogram of our oscillator, and then I think the dynamics of our movement should go up. So let's look at the result of the second transaction. We're in a profit. That's good. Second position is on profit too. We were a little lucky here. I agree. It would have been better to open the trade a little lower. We were a little hasty, right? But overall, the entry logic was correct. You saw that, I saw that, and since the entry logic was correct, accordingly, luck favors us, and we close the transaction in a plus. We will change the amount of the transaction value and continue. Okay, short position here. I think we will have a long correction here. I focus on 100% on the indicators, touching the upper moving average, then very strong upward movement dynamics. A new local maximum was formed, the upper moving average touched, right? Let me just point out, the price rolled back, and here I see the moving lines of the oscillator crossing from top to bottom. So here is better to open short position. Let's watch the results. Profit, we're in the profits, but yeah, I agree, we here were also a little lucky. I understand, in time our candlestick gave its downward impulse and we closed the deal as a whole in plus. Now the entry logic was also correct, guys, therefore luck for us. Again, let's change the amount of transaction value, set the maximum again, and continue our trading. Select the next currency pair. But by the way, you see, nevertheless, we have dynamics. It still went down, so the signal was indeed correct. So let's continue our analysis and select next currency pair. Here 100% our trade will be opened upward, I mean long position. relatively good entry point. We also have touched point here. A new extremum point is being formed, namely our local minimum. Then good volumes were shown on the histogram of our oscillator. We will wait for the intersection of the moving lines. Let's look at the result and let's wait for our profit. And we are in the profits. That's great. Here we already had a very good signal, an excellent signal I could say, and we implemented it without any problems, guys. Change the amount of the transaction value, again put the maximum. We will open for the maximum by 2 positions. Alright, here I still want to open 2 long positions in the direction of the upward dynamics. In general, the nature of the movement here tells us that after pullbacks it's better to open trades in the direction I will listen to the trend, my given feeling, especially since here we have had an intersection of our moving lines of the oscillator from bottom to top. A new extremum point have been formed, our local minimum, and now from this position I think that the dynamics of our movement should go upward. Let's look at the results. And we're in the profits. Our 2 positions is in profit without any problems, guys. We had an excellent signal here again. Let's continue trading, of course. Change the amount. Let's put down 1000 and select the next currency pair. Alright, that was quite long to find these positions. Let's open here long positions. In general, the dynamics of the trend here have been in an upward direction for quite a long time, ascending in nature, right? So let's open in the direction of the trend. We have already formed a new extremum point, namely our local minimum. The lower moving average of our channel indicator has touched, and I think, judging by the indicator, by the trend of the dynamics of our movement should go upward. There was an intersection from bottom to top of our moving oscillator, so in this case we open long positions. Let's wait. And we're in the profits. That's great, guys. As I promised you, the result will be more than $5,000 or $5,000. So to secure this amount, we will select the next currency pair and open transaction in amount of $4,000. Let's proceed and select the final currency pair. Alright, guys, our final positions for long in the direction of the trend. Highlight the trend line. We also have a good point of contact, an ideal point of contact, I could say. Of course, ideally open here, but in general I see the future moving lines of our oscillator crossing from bottom to top, the formation of a new local minimum and touching the lower moving line of our channel indicator, which is why I'm opening a trade here for an increase. Let's watch the result. Bam, guys, our final position is in profits. We have much more than the $5,000. As I told you, the 5,000 gonna be here. It's here. Now it's 8,000. So let's fix our profit. Let's move to the conclusion. All right, operation successfully completed, guys. Such a great trade for today. I wish you liked the video. In a few moments at the beginning we were lucky. Yes, I understand it, but it's good. It's good. So the strategy works, guys. You need to try it on. Don't forget about likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. All the links, of course, below in the descriptions. Don't forget about the giveaways. You will take part of my profit from today. Okay, have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.